So today's topic is Miser Dharamdas. Value, not be misery. Now let's begin. Miser is someone who has a great desire to possess money and hates to spend it. So below is a miser person who wants more money. Help him to reach the money through the means. The miser वो इंसान होता है जिसको बड़ी बड़ी लग्जरी चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, लेकिन खर्च करने में बहुत ज्यादा कंजूस निकलता है. नीचे वैसा ही एक माइजर है, उसको मेज के थ्रू से पैसों तक पहुंचाने में मदद कीजिए. Now, once there was a miser priest named Dharamdas. He used to keep teasing people. Oh, you don't know how to do this task properly. You know nothing about religion and life's philosophy, so your life is worthless. तो एक माइजर था धर्मदास नाम का, हमेशा दूसरे लोगों को डांटता ही रहता था और बोलता था तुम्हें कुछ करना नहीं आता है. One day, Dharamdas was going to another village for an urgent piece of work. During the journey, he had to cross a river. He saw a boat and sat in it. अब धर्मदास एक दूसरे विलेज जा रहा था. जर्नी के टाइम पे रिवर क्रॉस करनी थी, एक बोट देखी और उस पे बैठ गया. The boatman asked to Dharamdas to pay him to row him across. Dharamdas said, "You ask me for money. On the way, I will give you the precious treasures of knowledge. Do you know about Tulsidas and Ramayana or any other holy book?" तो जो नाव वाला था उसने क्या बोला, मैं पहुंचा तो दूंगा आपको उस तरफ, लेकिन आपको पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. तो धर्मदास ने क्या बोला, मुझसे पैसे मांग रहे हो, मैं तुम्हें कुछ ग्रंथों के बारे में या रिलीजियस बुक्स के बारे में ज्ञान देता हुआ जाऊंगा. Now, Dharamdas kept boasting but did not want to pay any money. The boatman got fed up with his talks and thought of teaching him a lesson. When the boatman was in the middle of the river, the boatman rocked the boat and Dharamdas fell into the river water. He started drowning. The boatman asked, "Oh, don't you know how to swim? You seem to know everything else." Then the kind boatman rescued him. Then Dharamdas realized that everyone has knowledge of his own job only. Dharamdas रास्ते में बहुत boasting करते हुए आ रहा था. जो नौकाकार था वो थक चुका था. उसने क्या सोचा, इसको एक सबक सिखाया जाए. अपनी बोट को उसने हिलाया. जो पंडित था वो नीचे गिर गया. उसको देखते हुए क्या बोला उस बोटमैन ने, उसने बोला कि तुम्हें इतना ज्ञान है, तुम्हें तैरना भी नहीं आता. और ये सुनते ही प्रीस्ट समझ चुका था कि वो क्या समझाना चाहता है, कि हर इंसान को अपने हिसाब से अलग अलग नॉलेज होती है, कोई भी वर्थलेस नहीं होता है. So moral of the story, everyone has knowledge of his own job. अपना जो काम इंसान करता है उसकी knowledge, उसका ज्ञान उस इंसान को होता है और उतना ही जरूरी भी होता है. Now exercise time. Tick the correct option. So the priest was miser. Dharamdas was going to another village. Dharamdas did not want to pay any money and dash fell into the river water. Dharamdas. Right, T for true and F for false against each statement. Dharamdas used to keep teasing people. This is true. Dharamdas was a philosopher. This is not true. The boatman asked Dharamdas to pay him to row him across. This is true. And Dharamdas knew how to swim. This is false. Now fill in the blanks with the correct word. We have drowning, Dharamdas, knowledge, boatman and river. So Dharamdas had to cross a river. Dharamdas fell into the river and started drowning. The kind boatsman rescued Dharamdas. Everyone has knowledge of his own job only. Now match the following. Dharamdas was a miser priest. The boatman got fed up of his talks. Dharamdas started drowning and everyone has knowledge of his own job only. Now answer the following questions. Who was Dharamdas and all the rest of the questions, and you have to answer them on your own. Now moral. Color the moral neatly and learn it. So यहाँ पे एक मॉरल लिखा हुआ है, एवरीवन हैज नॉलेज ऑफ हिज ओन जॉब ओनली, इसको आपको अच्छे से कलर कर देना है. Now enhance your skills through activities. Now hidden message, cross every third letter to reveal a secret message, write the message in the blanks. So यहाँ पे आपका स्टार्ट पॉइंट है, फिनिश पॉइंट है, हर तीसरे लेटर को आपको क्या करना है, एवरी थर्ड लेटर को क्रॉस करना है, एक मैसेज आपका एंड में रिवील हो जाएगा एंड यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन. Now let's play the sleeping miser. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ 2 से 3 चीजों की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Follow up the instructions and then you have to play this game on your own.